In today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start any business correctly and effectively. Coming up. What's up you guys, my name is Rahim and welcome back to Bazz Business. If this is your first time here and you want to learn all the different ways to build a business, how to make money online and all related stuff, consider subscribing. And of course turn on the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Before we dive in, I highly recommend you take some notes so you don't forget these important steps. Now, the first thing you need to start any business is an idea. Everything starts with an idea. If you are thinking about starting a business, you may already have an idea of what you want to sell, or at least the market you want to enter. If you don't, then go search for an idea that you believe it can work for you. There is a plenty of videos that can help you finding an idea. I already done a video of 10 businesses with low investment that you can try. I will link it right up here for you. Let's say you have an idea now. What you do next is evaluate this idea. You have to ask yourself some questions to determine if this business is right for you. Of course, you have to be honest with yourself. The main questions to answer are why, how, and who. By why, I mean your purpose, the result, what's your cause, what's your beliefs, why do you want to start this business, this idea. Like Simon Sinek said, the goal is to do business with people who believe what you believe. The goal is not just to hire people who need a job. It's to hire people who believe what you believe. People don't buy what you do. They buy why you want to do it. That's what we call trust and loyalty. If you really want your business to really succeed on the long term, you must have a good answer to this question. The next question to ask yourself is how? How are you going to do it? Are you going to do it alone or with partners? How will you provide the value to your customers? How you will finance your startup costs? And the third one is who? Who are you selling to? Who is your customer? Who is going to buy your product or service? If you can't find that there is a demand for your idea, then what would be the point, right? You have to find an answer to all these questions before launching your business. And all these questions can be answered in a well-written business plan. We will get to the business plan later. Next thing, you need to know your competition. You don't want to get too caught up in what your competitors are doing, but it's a good idea to understand their strategies. By looking at other businesses, you can see what has worked in the past. A smart business owner learns from those who have already attempted similar ideas. You gain valuable insights without suffering any losses because of a failed plan. Now, it's time to create a business plan. What is a business plan? A business plan is a written document that helps you figure out where your business is going, how it will overcome any potential difficulties, and what you need to sustain it. It contains the identity of your business, your product or service, the market, your competition, your short-term goals, the ones that you wish to achieve within 12 months, mid-term goals, those that will take between 2 to 3 years, and long-term goals. Also consider all aspects such as the expected return on investment and source of financing. The next step is to find investors for your business. It takes money to make money, right? You can't run a business without money. So your next step is to find investors that are willing to give you their money. In order for them to invest in your business, they must be convinced that your business can make profit for them. As much as your company wants to find great investors also want to find great companies. So, what is your argument to convince these investors? The answer is in your business plan. Once they read it and analyze the potential of your business, only then they can decide if they are willing to give you their money. When starting, you can use the help of your family, friends, or crowdfunding. There are also several ways to find investors nowadays, such as AngelList, Maker Ventures, LinkedIn, and even Quora can be effective sources to find angel investors. With online resources, be sure that you can establish some sort of credibility. The easiest way is by looking specifically for investors in your own market. So AngelList makes it easier as it sorts investors by region or industry. So the next step is to pick and register your business name. Your business name plays a role in almost every aspect of your business, so you want it to be a good one. Make sure you think through all of the potential applications as you explore your options and choose your business name. Don't forget to register your domain name once you have selected your business name. The next step is to get licenses and permits. Paperwork is a part of the process when you start your own business. There are a variety of licenses and permits that may apply to your situation depending on the type of your business and where you are located. You will need to research what licenses and permits apply to your business during the startup process. After that, you have to choose your accounting system. Businesses run most effectively when there are systems in place. One of the most important systems for a business is an accounting system. Your accounting system is necessary in order to create and manage your budget, set your rates and prices, conduct business with others, and file your taxes. You can set up your accounting system yourself or hire an accountant to take away some of the guesswork. And now, it's time to get your team ready. If you will be hiring employees, now it's the time to start the process. Make sure you take the time to outline the positions you need to fill and the job responsibilities that are part of each position. If you are not hiring employees, but instead outsourcing work to independent contractors, now is the time to work with an attorney to get your independent contractor agreement in place and start your search. And finally, you have to promote your business. Once your business is up and running, you need to start attracting clients and customers. You will want to start with the basics by writing a unique selling proposition and creating a marketing plan. Then explore as many business marketing ideas as possible so you can decide how to promote your business most effectively. Keep in mind that success doesn't happen overnight, but use the plan you have created to constantly work on your business and you will increase your chances of success. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to hit the thumbs up to help us reach more people. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.